This is our fireworks stash.
Part 1. This is like a small portion of it. So first, what we're going to show you, and we got all this stuff from Jake's Firework in Stillwater, Oklahoma. They have like really good prices. Okay, first, this is just some fuse, and it's cannon fuse, and we got it for $4. So yeah. Then yeah.
Standard punks.
Punks.
More punks.
Then we got some of these satellites, and we got 2 packages of these. We just like came in from lighting some stuff off, and satellite.
Yep.
And then
Parachutes.
It's nighttime. We meant to get daytime, but the lady messed up, and so we just came back and we got a box of single daytime, and we got 3 of these, the night times.
Yep.
And here, these are what daytime look like. They're just single day parachutes. Okay, and there's about 6 in there. Then we got 2 of happiness fountains, 2 of them. They were like, I don't know, like $1 a piece maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
And like these were like 49 cents. These were like 36 cents a piece. So, and this was like $2. And then we got some crackling balls, and we got 4 packs of these, and we lit all 3 packs off except for this one. And these were 49 cents a pack, and there's 6 in 1 pack. And you can.
And these are some speedballs. They shoot up in the air and they have colors. Yeah.
And we got 2 packs of these, and there's 6 in there. They're pretty good. And they were like, I don't know, like 99 cents a pack.
Yeah. That was really good.
And then we got some 2 tanks. They were like, I don't know, 36 cents.
Yeah.
All this stuff is pretty cheap, but it works really good. And then we got some of those right there. World class flashing signal. Just some strobe lights. 6 pieces. Like, I don't know, $1, something like that.
Yeah. Cheap stuff.
Then we got some
30.
Jumbo Morning Glory. They're 36 inches. They're here. Put them on your on the ground. See, like to Tom.
They're like almost as tall as me.
Yeah. So, and those were like $1.99.
Yeah.
And there's like 6 in there. That was a pretty good deal. And now we had a coupon for these. It was get 2 for $10, and they're just some artillery shells, assorted artillery shells. Okay, and here are the artillery shells. Here's the tube, pretty good size, and then here are the shells. And we got 6 of them, which is good, pretty good price. And like it tells you what color it is. Like this is red, blue, green, yellow, white, darker green down there. And so yeah, bye. And that was our fireworks stash
For today.
yeah, because we're gonna go buy some more.